Hey, my name is Doms, and you found yourself in the right community to build your tap dance skills. In this course, you will learn how to express yourself through tap dance. We're going to start from the very beginning, and that is no joke. You will learn about the history of tap dance, understand your body better through strength, stretching, and conditioning exercises for tap dance. You will learn all of the technical aspects that you need to know in immense detail, unlocking your rhythmic potential with understanding music, the tap dance, how to feel comfortable performing, how to build your own combinations, freestyle, and most importantly, having fun tap dancing. Here's how it works. You learn each step or combination through the tutorial videos, and then you move on to drilling each step or combination with me through the practice videos. And to guide you, you have access to the dance technique and the exercise and conditioning videos to refer to, which helps you to build. And here is my official 6-step training formula. Theory, balance and weight, coordination in movement, placement, control, and muscle memory. Theory, we break down each step and each step within a combination, how many sounds each step has, and how the sounds are created. For balance and weight, we find the correct starting positions and adjust the weight distribution. For coordination in movement, we find which joints and muscles are being used in the correct direction of the movement. For placement, we correct posture and where to hit the floor with the correct part of the foot. For control, we find how much force and energy you need to complete the movement, paying attention to weight transference so that you can maintain controlled and balanced movement. And for muscle memory, we draw every single step and combination up to 5 different speed levels until the neurological pathways are formed within our brains to create muscle memory. As you can see, everything is covered in all 4 of these categories to guarantee you results in the most effective and efficient way. We've got a lot to get through. So, who am I? This little old me has had over 20 years of professional tap dancing experience at the highest level.
Excuse me, I'm also a qualified personal trainer.
Oh yes, back in the day I used to enjoy swinging on my stool.
It's called calisthenics.
Oh yeah, that's right, where are my prosthetics? Anyway, point is, I've been doing this a long time, staying healthy and injury-free whilst being the American tap dancer in River Dance, touring the world for over 10 years. I've also been extremely lucky to acquire a vast amount of performing experience working at the Cirque du Soleil, winning the World Hip Hop International Championships in Las Vegas, being operas, musicals, and it's through my 20 years of experience I have learned and developed my own unique 6-step training method that will give you the most efficient and effective way of learning, understanding, and applying all aspects of tap dance. So, if you're thinking, I struggle with coordination, I don't have any rhythm, I've got injuries and I'm not physically fit, I can't seem to remember any steps, I feel a bit nervous and self-conscious, how will I know if I'm even doing it right? I don't even have the time and money for this. Don't worry, we've got you! For coordination and movement, to a degree, I will explain through physiology and anatomy how to intricately move your feet, legs, and essentially the whole of your body. This will help you to learn how and which direction to move your feet and legs in. Also, for general health, fitness, and injuries, I will give you access to a complete strength, stretching, and conditioning program to increase strength, balance, and flexibility. Oh yes, I am still plenty strong, flexible, and I still have my balance, believe you me. For rhythm, we will break down phrasing of music, understand time signatures, and how to count beats per bar for different styles and genres of music. And for memory, which, oh yes, memory. I was looking for my prosthetics. For memory, we will cover the most common ways of how people learn, whether it's through sound, visuals, or how to distinguish the feeling of your feet tapping into the floor. In all the tutorials, we cover every single technical aspect through my 6-step training method, showing you from the front, side, back, and sometimes diagonals too. Remember, each tutorial pairs up with drill videos for you to repeat as much as you want, whenever you want. To challenge you each time, that will also increase in speed levels and rhythm changes, testing you so that you can master any step rhythmically with fast footwork. And there's no need to feel self-conscious. You can learn when you want from the comfort of your own home, nobody there to judge you, whilst having this community here 24/7 to support you. And from there, we can work on the true art of performing tap dance and having fun tap dancing. You can also book one-to-one sessions with me on the calendar for any kind of help, feedback, or even just to talk to overcome any obstacles in your way. So yeah, that's how easy it is to book any free slots with me.
And me.
And me! Check out what some incredible tap dancers have to say about me.
Hi, my name is Dan Harrison and I am the creator and choreographer of the Tap Step Brothers.
The Tap Step Brothers.
I highly recommend you choose Dom's tap course. He covers all of the technical aspects of tap dance and he does it in a fun and exciting way.
Hey, how's it going? My name is Johnny Labby. I am a tapper. I was in Washington Hammerstein's 80th Gala. Dams Patel is a top tapper. He has made his own syllabus that keeps it fun, it keeps it engaging, and makes you feel like you're actually achieving. It's steps that he's made all of himself. I've seen all of them. It's phenomenal. I wish I had this as a young tapper. It's going to push you forward so much quicker. It's really, really engaging. It's got its own tracks. It's cool. It's modern. If you want to pick up tap, if you've always been that person that is impressed by tap but can't really get yourself to start, this is the course for you.
I believe you only learn through experience, and I'm offering mine to you packed into this specifically designed tap dance course for complete beginners. You will have access to all of this free content and every single step in tap dance used to make combinations with well-known tap dance combinations and much more, all for absolutely free. So why not start with my free course, and if you like, tap in to the super cool stuff at a super affordable price where we will continue to grow on your tap dance journey together. You will receive constantly updated course material and weekly challenges for you to take part in. So join me for professional training that will work from no previous experience and tons of extremely valuable course content on tap dance, fitness, motivation and confidence to freestyle and perform so that you can continuously grow from a complete beginner to a professional artist. I'll be really looking forward to seeing you guys there in the group, and together, let's tap into our potential. See you there.